everyone, my name is Lormelin Abarian Nicolas, and for today's video, I'm going to discuss a vowel sound. So what is a vowel sound? Vowels are the most sonorant or intense and the most audible sound in speech. They usually function as syllable nuclei. Vowels are sound produced with a relatively open vocal tract. Vowel sounds have two types. First is monophthong. What is monophthong? Monophthong is a single or simple vowel sound constituting the nucleus of syllable. The position of the tongue is more or less static. Second is diphthong. Diphthong is a consist of the tongue gliding from one vowel position to another within a single syllable. It is produced as one continuous sound. This is the short example of monophthong and diphthong. First is monophthong. After I said the word, you will repeat after me. E, kill, kid, link. A, pet, man, and then. Mad, bag, man, that. Now we proceed to diphthong. A, E, a. Face, great. O, E, oi. Toy, noise.
A, O, ow. House, mouth. That is the short example of monophthong and diphthong. In short recap, vowels are the most sonorous and audible sounds in speech, typically serving as the core or nucleus of syllables. There are two main types of vowels: monophthongs, single and steady sounds; diphthongs, complex sounds that glide from one vowel to another.